All right, what's up? We are continuing our series of videos dedicated to different patterns. This time I'm going to teach you shortly how to use the pattern to describe different professions or jobs. Very easy. Uh, so this is the pattern that you use for speaking. You put the job, so the name of the job, the name of the job. When you say something like this, is someone who, and then you use verb. So you and then you say what the person does, what the person does. So you say something like this, or you say the same thing, the name of the job, and you say is a person who. So with people we use who, yeah, and then same thing, what the person does, you explain. Everything will be clear in a moment. You will understand everything with the example. Just gonna mark it so that you can see that the pattern is a person who or is someone who. Okay. So for example, let's take I don't know, a butcher. For example, butcher. Who is a butcher? A butcher. A butcher is someone who. What do butchers do? So you can see here is a guy with an axe, lots of sausages. So they cut meat and they sell meat. He's someone who cuts and sells meat. Yeah, don't forget that for third person, because it's he, you need to use s. Cuts and sells. So there you go. A butcher is someone who cuts and sells meat. Let's try it again. Let's try it again with a different job. Yeah, for example, an author. Author, you can see many books and pens. He is a writer, yeah, a writer, an author, or you can say a writer is someone who, so you can understand what he does, right? He writes. Who writes books, novels, something like this, right? All right, perfect. Let's do one more. My favorite job, this is what I do. Teacher. A teacher. Who is a teacher? A teacher is a person who teaches. Yeah, teaches students. But what other things he does? He prepares lesson plans, right? Even creates YouTube videos. And then on YouTube probably have to be with the capital letter. Y and T, prepares YouTube videos, and laughs with his students. There are many things that teachers do. All right, so is a person who, that's your pattern, or is someone who, that's your pattern. Yeah, and then the sentence seems long, but basically it's very short, 4 short sentences. Teaches students, prepares lesson plans, creates YouTube videos, laughs with his students. That's it. You just make a list of things. All right? Probably I need to separate it like this. Okay. So now we're gonna practice speaking, and let's say I'm gonna use the dictation. Police officer. Who's a police officer? All right. Give me a second. A police officer is a person. Okay. Sorry. All right. Is a person who catches criminals. Yeah, this is as simple as that. A police officer is a person who catches criminals. What is a criminal then? A criminal is a person who commits crimes. Yeah, commits crimes. So don't forget to look up in the dictionary crime. Here's your definition. Crime. So a police officer is a person who catches criminals. A criminal is a person who commits crimes. Yeah, what kind of crimes can be there. Think about like steals something. Steals. Steals things. Alright? Alright, awesome. So there are many jobs here. Try to do something yourself. Try to practice this sentence. Explain. Now you can give a definition for any job. You just need to think what kind of things these people do. Alright? Okay, good luck with that, and I'll see you in the next one.